Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the recorder and essentials so you can start capturing clean audio immediately. Power on the unit and confirm battery at or above 50%. Low power introduces noise and shutdown risk. Once powered, insert a formatted SD card rated Class 10 or higher to avoid dropouts. Make sure the microphone is connected or the built-in mic is selected. If outdoors, attach a windscreen. Now set input type and basic levels so you're ready for the first test recording. Once done with power and media, you focus on gaining control over sound quality. Select the correct input, mic, line, or external, and enable phantom power only if your microphone requires 48 volts. Then monitor levels. Set gain so loudest moments peak around -12 dBFS to preserve headroom and minimize clipping. Make sure manual gain is chosen for steady results. Also pick your sample rate and bit depth. 48 kHz at 24-bit is a reliable choice for most field and post-production workflows. You now record, review, and finalize your session with deliberate checks to ensure usable audio. Start with short test takes and critically listen through headphones. Verify no clipping, hum, or wind noise. Once satisfied, record in manageable segments and use markers or tags so editing is straightforward later. After recording, review critical clips immediately and transfer files to a backup drive. If you encounter problems, distortion, dropouts, or silence, recheck gain and cabling, adjust mic placement, and restart the recorder before continuing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.